Okay.
There you go.
Terry's got a big smallmouth on, and I'm going to record him getting it in the boat. Nice fish. He's about done fighting now, though. Oh. Hold him up, honey. Now that's a nice smallmouth.
Yeah, he's pretty fish.
Real pretty. Okay, over and out.